This tutorial shows how to create image acquisition presets for standard brightfield scanning with mvSlide. The process will be demonstrated for two different objectives. Start by selecting the objective and bringing the specimen into focus. Set the microscope illumination to its maximum. From this point on, do not look through the eyepieces unless you reduce the illumination first. Use the magic wand to generate suitable initial camera settings. If necessary, adjust the red and blue channels to achieve a balanced color representation. Then adjust exposure time and gain while monitoring the histogram and the resulting image quality. Once the image is correctly adjusted, save the settings as a new preset. Now repeat the same procedure for the next objective. After changing the objective, refocus the specimen before adjusting the camera settings. Fine-tune the brightness and color balance as needed, then check the resulting image quality. Finally, save the settings as another preset. Creating a preset for each objective supports consistent and reproducible image acquisition with mvSlide. Further mvSlide tutorials are available on the Microvisioneer YouTube channel.